Marrakech since 1923. The history dates back to the 18th century, and La Mamounia is considered as a mythical place in the kingdom. It's an independent hotel, part of Asian hotels of the world, so that's why there's a lot of investments regarding renovations, enhancing the experience. So last renovation is in 2023. We created this beautiful lustre that was offered to La Mamounia as an anniversary gift. We call La Mamounia La Grande Dame. So the lustre, it was offered to her during the anniversary. It's a fountain, and it's inspired by the Moroccan jewelry articles. You will find the hand and other articles. 800 articles. That's reflecting the number of the employees in La Mamounia. 800 persons.
800.
Yes. We will go this way and see.
Super.
We will go this side.
But 800 staff and how many rooms?
209 rooms. So it's around like 3 persons per room or 4 persons per room. We will start by the Churchill Bar. Here we have the check-in area. Of course, it goes with the traditional welcoming. Just here. But if we can just avoid taking clients. That's all.
But maybe no clients.
Yes, no clients. This is the Churchill Bar, which is for a chic experience. Only open from 6 until midnight till 1. We have a great selection of signature cocktails. It goes with caviar, salmon fumé. Yes, we have the Louis Five there. Many other liquors. So before the renovation, it was quite large. We had the piano bar here on the right. So now, since the last renovation, there's a new offering. One of the newest experiences in La Mamounia, which is a CINÉMA for 20 seats. Very comfortable. You can try. You can have a seat if you want.
Super.
You have in your suite, you have a QR code. You can just scan it, see the program of the movies. There are 2 sessions during the day, one at 4 p.m. and one at 9. The CINÉMA is exclusively reserved to the clients who are staying in the hotel. It's free of charge for them. They can just come and enjoy their time. And we serve some special popcorn by PIERRE as well here.
And
cigars to here.
but you pick up cinema from where? From YouTube?
For the QR code, you scan the QR code in their suite, and you have all the program for the movies. The films are from Netflix, from streaming websites. It's the new box office movies, and there are also one of the classic movies, which is The Man Who Knew Too Much by Hitchcock. It was one of the scenes was shot here in the hotel. So Le Salon de Thé by PIERRE. Here we are offering pastries by PIERRE. We have this beautiful lustre that was also made during the last renovation. There are more than 20 fountains in the hotel for the sensorial experience, the sound of water everywhere. And it's directly to our spa over there. We can go to the spa.
Khalid Art Gallery.
Yes, a lot of galeries d'art, boutiques of the hotel too. Here we have the reception of the spa. Bonjour, ça va, vous allez bien? Directly to the indoor pool. The food is heated at 28 degrees. It's treated by ozone, which means it's going to take care of the skin. It's open from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And both of the pools, this one and the outdoor pool, they are exclusively reserved to the clients who are staying. And our clients, they don't have to do like a treatment or a massage to access to it. They can just come directly and do it. Just a step.
Good.
Go this way.
Marie-France one down.
We're going to see one deluxe room, which is our bestseller category. We do have 100, there is 209 units total capacity of the hotel. We have 4 restaurants. Here we have the Italian by Simone ZANONI, just here on the right, which is the new Italian. It's a trattoria deluxe, it's a cuisine of sharing. We can go to here to see. Good. Parfait. أنا أخوك في الاقتصاد. طيب بارطاجي معايا. الله يرحم عليكم. صافا كل شيء مزيان سعيد. الله يخليك. We can go from the terrace here. And we will directly go and see the Asian by the George. Both of the restaurants are open for lunch and dinner. You can go this side. Yes. Please. have this beautiful space here. The other place over there as well. And the restaurant is a mix of the Thailandese, Japanese, Chinese influence. It's a cuisine from the east side of Asia. And the details are very beautiful to me. Oleg, here we have just a lot of clients. Thank you very much. We're going to go this way so we can go and see the ground. Saint Laurent, Dior, and the luxury boutiques. We have the first boutique in Africa by PIERRE here as well. You go and see. PIERRE, he have the exclusivity of the hotel. He signed all the desserts of the restaurant. And here we have his first boutique in Africa. Bonjour. Ça va le best? Here we have all the different creations. Like macarons, chocolates, specialty, coffee as well. Framboise et pistache.
Là, cerise ou pistache.
Ah, oui. Let's see also the wall of fame, and then we go to the elevator like the other time.